explanation. So a sub's going to go on this wall, and this is the seat shape. Seat comes back 2 inches, over a little bit over 6 inches, goes 10, does the same thing the other way. So I was either going to make stack fab, but I think stack fab would suck to cut the speaker hole in. This will be moderately better. So we will see. I'm sure it's going to suck. And just hate myself with all the dumb shit I like to try. But this is working. With the bushing on it, I still leave a little edge. I cut that off with the fancy kabuki saw. Sand her down a little bit and it looks good. But not something I've ever seen anybody do. Probably because they're smarter and they do it a better way. This is on an angle. I don't know what degree it is. And I am milling out a face and then have to mill deeper because this is actually very thick here, because I've got to have the space for the mount so that, yeah, you can actually screw to it and it'd be worth the shit. I'm getting about a 1/2 inch out. An 1.5 inches. Shit, the top moved. No! Fuck! I gotta fix. Wow, fuck, I should have cleaned this out. Hold on. So, it's not perfect. Couple little dips here. That's no big deal. But that's on a milled piece, cut on an angle, circle, whatever. This is where it dug into this piece. So I'm just at the limit. This one's ugly. This one looks beautiful. So now I gotta cut the hole for this one, which I'm doing this all different from what I did with this one. This one was all pieces. I cut that hole, then put it together, then cut this hole. Now I cut this hole, and now I'm gonna take it apart, so I'm ripping a plug. There we go. There it is. Forstner bit this out. Same thing with this guy. And then clean up the edges somehow. Probably by hand for sure. I can tell you already, that's gonna suck. Shit. All right. It is done. Just needs to be glued up, sanded, puttied, filled, all that fun shit. But I don't know. That's fucking pretty cool to me. And I'll post, like right now, this is the picture of my drawing. This is this. So 3/8 round over here, 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 and here. 1/2 inch because I got a big weird spot here where I had an unlevel cut. I'll sand that out. I'm going to glue that board in. Then the front, other than grinding out where the chipmunk chewed the holes, the front will be done. Should sound good too. This is what it's all about. This is why one-offs and crazy shit are hard, because you got to think your way through it so you don't backtrack and do my favorite thing. Alrighty. So get a clue, or give you a clue, or update, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I took a tape template of the corner of my back seat, the top, and this is where I'm going to work on my template, which will be like this because it's not, I've said this before already, that's a 4-inch corner. This is going to be a 4-inch corner, but different. Roughed around a little bit. God damn it! That scares the fuck out of me. Hey, are you reaching? I wanna see it again. Man. So there's one corner done. I like it. So I got the bottoms done. I'm gluing up a center. A little update. Floor, which, you know, is not easy, especially when you got to gap around pieces for the center. But the floor's done. A little rough, but I'm gonna round this off. I'm gonna try to round this off. Probably have to sand this by hand. These are gonna get hand sanded, so we'll have the look like that on these. So some of that pretty shit. Looks pretty sleek. Move this and this. I like it. Alright, she's cut. Should be exactly the right height. And then this distance here should be perfect. I hope. I think it is though. So, Kabuki saw, I think. Draw my line. Kabuki saw that too, I guess. It's gonna suck. Because that's a lot of meat.
That's what she said.
Alright. Successful scary shit. Some asshole left nails all in this shit. Fucking white bearded cocksucker. Alright, you don't need to watch this shit. Oh. Alright. I always start this shit off like that. Hello.